Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So actually you could see that performance of the gold stands in a row with the our discussion as we talked in the weekly report and talked in yesterday. And just because the response that actually should happen from the 1618 extension was too weak and was forming some tight flag consolidation in lower time frame. This is not the way how market should respond to potentially bullish reversal pattern, which is the butterfly. And that makes us think that it probably we should wait for reaction probably from the XOP. It doesn't mean that it definitely should happen, but at least that could explain why here market shows no reaction, just standing to complete the XOP, and maybe after that some bullish performance might start. I do not want to say that will be some bullish reversal to the upside, but minor response, minor pullback theoretically could happen. Besides, yesterday you could see that market has formed minor bearish reversal bar on the daily chart. It also suggests downside continuation because yes, the market has created the new top compared to the previous session and then close below the lows of the previous day. So this is bearish performance, which suggests that the next day it also should be deeper downside continuation. So that's what we have here, and that's why currently we just could keep an eye on the XOP, which stands around 1706. Well, here could be a lot of different scenarios. On the hourly chart, I just draw the one possible way how it could be if market indeed will try to show some bounce. So for instance, it might be some kind of the flat hand shoulders pattern. So market here will accelerate down to the XOP, complete it around 1706, and then we'll try to show the bounce, maybe on the background CPI report, maybe something else, and maybe this pattern might be formed theoretically to show some minor pullback. But that is just one possible way how it could be. Maybe it might be absolutely different. So since gold market stands currently at strong pressure, it's not as strong as we were sold. Don't be hurry up with taking any long position. Wait for clarity. If you would like to take the long position, be sure that you have clear the pattern that you could use for stop placement, because patterns currently our friends, they let us to place tight stops, and even we will make the mistake with this possible entry, or pattern will fail or something of that sort, well, our potential loss will be very small. And in the current situation where the market stands in the long-term downside trend on the gold market, this is really must. So without the patrons taking long position just because market reached the XOP on the daily chart, this is not sufficient context for taking the long position by far. On the 4-hour time frame chart, here you could see how performance looks like. This is flat consolidation. This is why actually, guys, I thought that probably it will be downward continuation. It's not the way how market should respond, and even reaching of the XOP hasn't helped too much with the upward performance. So market here hasn't quite reached even minor 30% level. And here's some pressure you can see as pushing prices lower. Let's take a look at the MACD. It's also interesting. As I said, this might be signs of the dynamic pressure, and indeed you can see downward action here while the trend stands bullish. So that's what we have on the gold. Let's wait for a completion XOP around 1706 today, and then let's keep watching on the market response. If market forms any bullish pattern, we could try to take a scalp long position. If you trade on intraday charts, if you trade on the high time frames, you just could use this retracement for getting the better price for taking the short position later. That's approximately our trading plan that we intend to follow within a couple of sessions.